I know I was. I think the thing I find most remarkable about this machine code is the fact that it looks so unlikely as a successful and a viable flying machine. It is exactly what it says, a Boxkite. An aeroplane also crucial to the very earliest developments in British military aviation and of the application of flying machines for military purposes. And such a splendid sight in magnificent men, replica form, in the skies here at Aldbourne. Well, as they say, it ain't over till it's over. We weren't expecting earlier on today to be able to get any of the Edwardians or the Wren into the air. What a great bonus it's proved.